I want to take a moment to speak with you all about healing yourself and feeling confident and good enough to be a healer, or feeling that you actually have the power or the ability to heal yourself and feeling worthy enough. When I started out on my self-healing journey, my life was a real mess. And I absolutely would not have thought of myself as somebody that would ever be an energy healer. And to be quite honest with you, my life in this day and age is still not totally perfect. But what I've learned is that you have to start. You have to put one foot out. And as you do that, you will be amazed at the things that start to happen. That's what they mean when they talk about stepping out on faith. And my motto is, the golden path appears when one steps upon it. If you want your destiny to unfold before you, if you want your life to change, if you want amazing things to happen, you actually have to take the first step to healing, which is investing in yourself and taking the action and going out on a limb and putting yourself out there. And the lovely thing about this course is you can do it in the privacy of your own home, your own office. Nobody has to know about it. But the important thing is that you make an investment in yourself, and that you say yes to you and yes to your personal healing, and yes to unconditional love for you in your life by investing in yourself and taking this course. And I'm so glad that you've made the decision to do that.